Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to reopen your old NGL account easily and what happens if you've deleted it. To access your old NGL account, simply enter the same Instagram username you used before. This will give you access to your previous NGL link, such as nggo.link/your-username, where you can view all your inbox messages and interactions. If you haven't deleted your NGL account and just need to log in again, perhaps because you got a new phone or deleted the app, just re-enter your Instagram username to regain access. However, if you went into settings and deleted your NGL account entirely, you'll lose your username and unique link. In this case, you'd need to create a new account, and unfortunately, you won't be able to recover your old link or access any previous messages. So, if you've only removed the app or need to log in again, just use your Instagram username. But if you deleted your account through settings, you'll need to start fresh with a new link and lost access to your old inbox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.